Everyone looks forward to coffee breaks. The Flavia Creation 600 is the one beverage system that can brew up something for everyone while doing a lot for you. With popular brands to choose from, your employees are sure to find drinks they love. Once you've picked your drink, you can sit back and relax because each fresh pack has a barcode that ensures the right brew cycle, so it always comes out precisely brewed for great taste. Enjoy your freshly brewed drink and only your drink. Because Flavia brews right from pack to cup, your drink won't taste like the one before it. Plus, with the ability to make all kinds of specialty drinks, having the C600 is like putting a coffee shop barista in your break room. Hot drinks are only the start. Since most employees want more than just hot drinks around the office, you can add the Flavia Chill to make the C600 the only all-in-one brewing system that also makes the cold drinks that they want, like iced teas and coffee, cold brew coffee, and infused waters made with real ingredients. The Flavia IQ Smart Technology and online portal helps you manage drinks in a fraction of the time. How? With a few taps of the screen, employees can let you know when more product is needed or when there's a break room issue that needs your attention. IQ also tracks consumption trends to show you what's hot, what's not, and what to order more of next time. You even get brewer usage data to know the best time to restock the break room. Take hassles off your plate and put variety in your coworkers' cups with the beverage solution that powers workplace happiness, the Flavia Creation 600.